All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. Proud of. Its rich. And varied heritage. I shall always. Try to be. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being. And prosperity. Alone lies. My happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by Lakshmi Prasanna of Great and Jasper. International news. Trump wins Texas governor aborts endorsement at US-Mexico border. National news. Tata Technologies sees a large opportunities in aerospace sector. Thank you. My friend will continue state and sports. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Chandrika of Great and Jasper. State news. Free English medium school in Karnataka if BJP government is formed. Sports news. India flutter at finals 100 has Australia clinch record extending 6th World Cup title. Thank you. Everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by Dathareddy from Great and Jasper. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy. That's the end of news bulletin. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by Sai Varshita from Great and Jasper. And today's thought. If your emotions are slave to your thoughts and you are slave to your emotions. I repeat my thought. If you are slave to your emotions, then you are slave to your emotions. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Rissa from Great and Jasper. Today's word, emotion. It is a noun. It means a strong feeling derived from one's mood with others. Thank you.
Activity is brought to you by Supriya from Great and Jasper. As we know that India hosted this year's World Cup, these are 9 symbols used as India World Cup 2023 logo, which has different meanings. Joy. This symbol embodies the fans' feeling when the team they cheer for the player or admire receives a crucial win or scores a country. Power. This symbol emphasizes the mighty of player and has been used in tournament every time a player hits 6 or maximum. Respect. This symbol represents the common emotion of respect fans and even other players have for a player who gives his all for the team and the nation he represents. Pride. The feeling of this pride is one everyone feels. One normally feels this emotion during the national anthem of their country. Bravery. The act of bravery can be represented by a player's dedication to playing for his team despite being physically hampered. A good example of this is Anil Kumble bowling with a broken jaw in the test match against the West Indies. Glory. The perfect example of this emotion is winning the World Cup title and reaching the ultimate glory. Wonder. The amazing and unexpected things that happen in the world or the World Cup or the perfect representation in this symbol. Passion. This symbol is a represent in every fan and the lover of the sport and the anguish. And finally, the last and most fortunate symbol is anguish. This feeling one feels when your team loses is what this symbol represents. Thank you.
Sing loudly.
of India is located in Mumbai. Fact number 3. Sun is a star. Fact number 4. Cry of lion is called roar. Fact number 5. White color symbolizes peace. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday for Hazel. International news. PM Modi wishes Team India before World Cup final. Thank you. Birthday for Hazel. National news. Premature baby extended from Ghana Hospital. Thank you. Question for grade 1. Who is father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question for grade 2. Raga is the dance form of. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Punjabi. Question for grade 3. Which organ is most sensitive organ in our body? Skin. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is skin. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Who invented computer? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is Charles Babbage. Let us appreciate